Hey everyone, Lonnie here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is where I talk about tech without the fluff, keeping it simple, smart, and straight to the point so you are one step ahead. So let's dive in.
Have you ever wanted to test out Linux without risking your Windows PC? Or maybe try that sketchy software without worrying about viruses? Well, today I'm showing you VirtualBox, the free tool that lets you run entire operating systems inside your computer like apps. And trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. So, what exactly is a VirtualBox? Think of it like this. Your computer is a building and VirtualBox lets you create completely separate apartments inside it. Each apartment is a virtual machine, or VM for short, and it can run its own operating system completely isolated from your main system. This means you can run Windows inside Mac, Linux inside Windows, or pretty much any combination you want. And the best part? It's completely free and open source, made by Oracle. Before we start, you'll need two things: VirtualBox itself, which we'll download in a second, and an ISO file that's basically a digital disk image of whatever operating system you want to install. Alright, step 1. Let's get VirtualBox installed. Head over to virtualbox.org and click the big download button. Choose your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'll click Windows Hosts. The download is about 100 megabytes, so it'll just take a minute. Once it's downloaded, run the installer. This part is super straightforward. Just keep clicking next, and yes, it'll briefly disconnect your network connection during installation. That's totally normal, don't panic. Hit finish and boom, VirtualBox is installed and the real fun begins. Now let's create your first virtual machine. For this tutorial, I'm going to install Ubuntu Linux. It's free, beginner friendly, and you can grab the ISO from ubuntu.com. Back in VirtualBox, click the blue new button at the top. First, give your VM a name. I'll call mine Ubuntu Test. Notice how VirtualBox automatically detects you're installing Linux? Pretty smart. Now for the important part, allocating resources. Here's my rule of thumb. RAM, give it at least 2 to 4 gigabytes. Stay in the green zone on that slider. Don't give away too much or your main system will crawl. CPU cores, 2 cores is perfect for most uses. More than half your total cores is overkill. Hard drive, I recommend at least 25 gigabytes, but 50 is better if you've got the space. Don't worry, it won't actually take up that space immediately. It grows as you use it. Click through, keep the defaults for hard drive type. VDI is perfect. Choose dynamically allocated for storage. This means it only uses the space it actually needs. Hit create and congratulations. You've made your first virtual machine, but it's empty right now. Think of it like a computer with no operating system installed. Let's bring it to life. Select your new VM and click the green start arrow. It'll ask you to select a startup disk. Click that folder icon and navigate to wherever you downloaded your Ubuntu ISO file. Select it and hit start. Now you'll see the Ubuntu installer boot up. From here, it's just like installing an operating system on a regular computer. Choose install Ubuntu, pick your language, connect to network if you want updates, and go with the default installation. The installation takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your system. Grab a coffee, pet your cat, you know the drill. Once it's done, restart the VM and boom, you're now running Ubuntu Linux inside your Windows computer. How cool is that? Before we wrap up, these are 3 quick pro tips that'll make your life easier. Tip 1. Install guest editions, go to devices menu, click insert guest editions CD. This lets you resize the window properly, share clipboards and drag files between your main computer and the VM game changer. Tip 2, take snapshots. Before you install anything risky or make big changes, take a snapshot from the machine menu. It's like a save point in a video game. You can always roll back if something breaks. Tip 3, share folders. You can set up folders that both your main OS and your VM can access. Perfect for easily moving files back and forth. And that's it. You now know how to use VirtualBox. So you can create as many virtual machines as your hard drive can handle, test different Linux distributions, try out Windows 11, create a safe sandbox for sketchy downloads, or anything else you need.
Found value in this? Go ahead and give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with anyone you think might need it. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.